Okay, real quick. You can read the title. Basically, how you change the camera is if you want to change it once without an animation, you just go over here to this tab, I guess. Okay, choose the view, choose local camera, front, and well, that's what my camera is called. And here choose any camera. I don't know what the cube is. I'm viewing from inside the cube. Okay, that seems logical. So I'm gonna choose the front, and now you can see this is what I see. Now I'm gonna choose bottom. Yep, it's changing. Okay. Now for an animation, you want this turned off. So basically, open this timeline thing. Yeah. Go to a marker. By the way, you always need like 2 markers just for like keyframes. So if I have, for example, one keyframe, it's not gonna do anything because there's only one. There is no animation. So you always need more than one of these. Basically, go to marker, go to bind camera to markers. Now choose the camera, obviously. It's not obvious, but do choose the camera. Go to marker, bind camera to markers. Okay, that's front. Let's go to like frame 20. Choose this camera. Go marker, bind camera to markers. Okay. This is gonna be slow. 40. I forgot to play. Control D. Ah yeah, the shortcut is Control B as I just looked up. Yep, I did know this before. Yep, for sure. I knew this. Yep, don't judge me. I'm stupid. Once again, Control D and frame 100. Control D. Actually, I hate this. Start at 0. And it's gonna end at 120. And let's move. Okay, cool. And now go to press 0 on your, what's it called? Num. But the thing with the numbers 1, 2, 3, you know it, I know. Press the shortcut to go into your camera view. And also look at this. Yep, it's actually changing. Wow, so cool. Great, I'm a genius, people. That's it. Done. Quick video. I actually prepared this time. Easy. Subscribe.